Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to summarize the documents with Copilot. Microsoft Copilot can quickly summarize reports, articles, research papers, meeting notes, and other documents, helping you understand key information without reading every page. So whether you are working in Word, OneNote, Outlook, or Copilot Chat, the process is simple and can save a significant amount of time. So what to do first? Well, you will need to actually have Microsoft 365 subscription to use the Copilot chat. So simply just go to buy Microsoft 365 or simply click on here, compare plans, and you'll be able to see every single plan that you have. Simply just choose the one that you want and then go for it. Every plan has Copilot in it, so you don't really have to worry about it. Just go ahead and buy it. Now, once you buy it, then you will have the access to it. So open a document now, either like Word, etc., any document that you have in mind. So we could go for anything, literally anything. So for me, I'm just gonna work with Word. So I'm gonna go here and literally I'm gonna have my article. So this is my article that I want to work with. So this is the one. And yeah, from now on, let's go ahead and work with it. So what can we do? Now make sure the document is accessible within Microsoft 365 app that supports Copilot, and then launch Copilot. So to launch Copilot, click the Copilot button in the application you are using. So for us in Word, it should be next to Acrobat. For me, I don't have the subscription, that's why it's not visible, but you simply have to click on it. It's going to be an open Copilot pane from the ribbon, and simply click on it. Once you do that, simply you will find like a chat box where you can write prompt and ask it to summarize this document, and it should create for you a new Word document or a new page within this document that's got every text in here summarized for you, so you don't really need to read it out. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys next upcoming video.